So welcome back, guys. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to find products on Pinterest, just like I showed you how to find products on TikTok the other time. So Pinterest is a very nice site. I like to find products on Pinterest because somehow it's just appealing. The interface is just smooth. Everything is just sweet about Pinterest. So you can come here and search hot products. You can search trending home products if you're in the home improvement niche, trending car products, trending security products, trending head product, whatever you want to search, or you can just search trending products on its own. So let me just click on the trending home products. So yeah, for this example, so here you see a lot of products. A lot of products will pop up, but most of them are more like they do with the US market. But you have to like be selective about what you are doing. So let's see what we can find on Pinterest today. So you just scroll. It's a beautiful this one. The interface is cute. Yeah. Let's see something. One thing about running a good creative is having a high click through rate. Now look at this video. The thumbnail here is holding is a balloon. I think it's a glove filled with water. So now I'm intrigued. What is this about? I want to click it now. So when you are setting up your ad, make sure you always have a very good thumbnail. It helps with your clicks, and the more clicks you have, the more website visits you have, the more you have conversion. So that's how it works. Now this is a nice product. It's a nice product. You could test it. It's a product that it caters to the Nigerian market. Some people just need fruits, so you can even sell it as product. There's a lot of way you can sell it. You could sell this for washing toilets. You could sell this to restaurants also. So there are a lot of ways you can sell this product. Yeah, that's it with that product. So you scroll down, you see other similar products to it. Now let's take for example this product. I know someone who sold this product for 1 year straight. A girl that sold this product for 1 year straight. She made a lot of money selling this product. At one point, I even hopped on the trend and I made some money. Not seven figures, but six figures. At that time, I was still learning and I didn't really know much about e-commerce or how to scale when it comes to e-commerce. Now, look at this. Now, this is a simple product. This is a simple product. It's a vegetable chopper. Would I call it chopper or scraper, or whatever it is, peeler. It's a simple product. Most people don't know how to slice cabbage. Sorry, most people don't know how to slice cabbage. So that's a product that caters to people like that. No, hot product doesn't have to be something. It's not really something that complex like that. It's something simple that solves a problem. The same product is used here for yam. So okay, what is this? Oh wow! Oh wow! Wow! Now this product, I sold something like this 2024. As a matter of fact, it was something like this I started the year with. Remember when I said I started with 66,000. It was this product I started with. I just shipped this product as at that time. But it was not this exact product. The ones I was selling was bigger because from the look of this video, this product is small here. So you might get failed delivery due to the size. It's more like baby meat pie, something like that. The one I was using was big, and I made a lot of sales in January to February, early February till I stopped because my supplier did not restock, and I didn't have that much money to start ordering for products. So I think the product itself at that time was around 4,000 naira, so I wasn't that rich, so I couldn't buy stock. Yeah, you just keep scrolling down and finding something that kind of like fits you. Okay, and look at this. I sold this too on the side. Yeah, it's a meat pie maker. So yeah, same thing. Keep scrolling. Now this is a veggie chopper. I think this is a rechargeable veggie chopper. And I personally think that this product is hot. You should test it. If it gives you a good CPC, proceed with selling it. So that's it. One thing you need to know as a entrepreneur in e-commerce is that let the market decide what you sell. Don't just wake up one morning and decide that you want to sell this. Let the market decide what to sell. Like when you test, let them tell you that okay, we want this or we don't want this. When your CPC is high, you don't increase budget. Dump that product and move on. Move on to the next. That's it. That's it with e-commerce. And what is this product? Now this is a hair clipper or whatever it is. I sold something like this, but the one I sold at one point did not work. I almost had a lot of issue with it. I had a lot of issue with it, but it was hot. So if you find something that works, you should try selling it. It's hot. It's a good it's a good niche. Okay, now this is something I believe is very
TikTok
hot.
shop mini
There
electric
is no
sewing
way.
machine.
There is
The
no.
operation is very simple. You only need to put on the thread, press it, and you can use it.
There is no way you will sell this product and it does not sell. It's just not possible. It's not even possible. There is no way you will test this product and it does not sell.
TikTok shop.
That's the thing with Pinterest. There are a lot of products you could find here. So I believe by now you get the point, and you will do the same to find your own winning products. So let's move over to YouTube on how to like search for products on YouTube. So one thing you want to do when you head over to YouTube is to search for anything like winning products. Something I like to do is I search winning products, winning product for March, product for March. And you can search with any month of the year. Okay, no, this is not YouTube. Hold on. Winning product for March. It could be anything. Okay. Top winning products in the car niche. You can see I haven't searched for some. These winning products for February. You see a lot of products that people have reviewed, and you surely see a banger to sell. You understand? This is one of the easiest way you could just easily just find a product. It could be for February, it could be for March, it could be for December, it could be for January. Like there is a lot of flexibilities when it comes to searching for this. I could even search winning products for February 2024, like taking it backwards to see what sold last year and see if it was worth it, to bring it in to Nigeria and sell for this year. So YouTube is it's just very simple. Another place you want to go to find products is ad library. Facebook